So this year, we were fortunate to attend the HEART conference in Monterey and understand that many people are still restricted due to travel constraints that are happening government-wide. This is why MicroJourneys took the opportunity to have a number of different discussions with key decision makers and thought leaders in our space. We look forward to your feedback and continuing to provide insight into our groundbreaking area, which is microelectronics.
As the years go on, the feature sizes get smaller. It gets much more expensive to produce. And what you see in industry is that as you get below about 90 nanometers, your options, your suppliers get much less in the world, to only a handful. Those handful of companies were largely manufacturing overseas. Taiwan is a big place where they're manufactured. China also, to a great extent now. It took 4 years to convince Pentagon leadership, congressional leadership that we had to do something about it. Myself and one other person in DC really pushing through a lot of roadblocks. We took some professional hits because our supervisors told us to stop, and we kept talking to other people, but we knew it was important for the country, and we just kept going.
I've always been the natural space guy hanging out with a bunch of nuclear guys, right? And it really took me by surprise when they called and said, you've won this big award. They've only had 30 people win this in 40 years. People I've looked up to, people who helped me when I first started. And that was sort of what, in general, this community provides. We have limited capability to be able to deal with these advanced technologies. There's currently one in the US that has that type of capabilities. By 2030, we expect to need about at least 4,000 hours to do that type of work. And it's growing.